G'day YouTube, Max Wright here, and just a quick little video this afternoon. If you did not watch the video I released this morning, go and check out the link in the description below and watch the entire Thorchain series. It's just the most important thing that's happening in the crypto world. I think we're talking about a 100x altcoin here, but not just that. It's going to completely change the entire cryptocurrency landscape, and all investors, whether it's in Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin or Dogecoin, whatever, you need to understand this cataclysmic change that is happening to the cryptocurrency landscape right now. So go and check that out. But I thought I would just check this out. I think a really interesting tweet series or tweet storm was just put out by Raoul, and I just thought it was worth drawing your attention to. So something to get your head around. Headline: a major asset class, he's talking about cryptocurrency, crashed 42% in 14 days, wiping out $1 trillion in value in an orgy of liquidation of people up to 100x levered with very low regulation. Many tokens fell up to 70%, including unregulated lending and borrowing biz. Beneath the headline, crypto had a major VAR shock, meaning volatility shock test, and nothing happened. Leverage liquidation was offset by over-collateralization. No one was left holding the baby. No firm went under. The Fed didn't need to step in. DeFi didn't break and carried on near normal. There was no daisy chains or collateral losses. There was no collateral pressure. Stable coins remained stable. A few exchanges went down for an hour or two. No exchange suffered big losses that occurred. No need to mutualize losses either, meaning socialize the losses. No protocol failed, and no firms needed rapid funding. No one had open-ended losses. The system didn't break. It offered zero systemic risk to the broader financial world. Speculators lost money, and that is it. This is what I first saw in crypto back in 2012, a new anti-fragile financial system that doesn't break in times of stress, where ownership of assets is clear and losses are not mutualized to the taxpayers. This was a big 2 weeks for crypto and the future of the financial system. So I just think really important and profound. Like it's so sad that we live in a society where we've handed over the education of our children, both at the elementary level through high school and now including up to college, where everyone can get a degree if they want, and here have money, go hundreds of thousands of dollars into debt to get more indoctrinated by government. And governments have taught the world that when there's any trouble, you run to the government to fix it. You run to the government for bailouts, and it's a completely corrupt system, because obviously you and I can't run to the government for bailouts. It's only for the billionaires and people who are already very wealthy, who have businesses that are too big to fail. They run to the government and get bailouts. But sadly, the idea has permeated across the whole of society. And this COVID nonsense is a great example. It's all like the narcissism of people, that they think they have a right to make a law to tell other people to wear masks, is just so broken. But it's a part of that conditioning that we get by going to government-funded schools, whereby we say, any problem, run to the government to fix it. And here's a system that is built that we don't need government. And quite frankly, the system used to be that way as well, until corrupt people came in and overtook it and started putting the profits in their pockets. And then they teach us that we need them to keep us safe. Absolutely not true. Here's a system that works. It is anti-fragile, and we have to, as a society, get out of the mentality that every time there's a problem, we're supposed to run to government and beg for them to make new laws to help. We don't need them. Everything is fine. Yes, there are shocks to the system. Yes, prices go up and down, but that is normal and healthy. You don't need to run to the government to get them to fix things. They teach us to do that so they can put billions of dollars in their pockets, so the insiders and them get to share it because we ask them to help, and we need to stop that. And I thank Raoul for bringing our attention to this. Very important stuff. Guys, if you like the content, hit like, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Is this new financial system here to help the people and take away those corrupt profit centers of the politicians and the insiders and everybody else suckling at the teat of coercion? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I will see you later. Take care.